Hey y'all, decided to do a little wake and bake with you. With, just a little one. Don't want to be overly medicated. I have a therapist appointment today. So, yeah, those are always kind of difficult, so I like to be medicated before and after I go. So I say Mazel Tov. My daughter says something else, L'chaim, I think is what she says. And she says it's because it means to life. And it's an old Yiddish, you know, like to Chaim, it's to life. It's a cheer. But it made me think. You know, she's 18 years old, and she is getting in touch with her history. And I know the further apart we get from my maternal grandmother or grandfather, less and less and less you become. My grandfather was first generation Jewish in Hell's Kitchen, New York. He passed away in 73. I didn't get a chance to meet him. I wish I did. He was an amazing man. I can only imagine what it would have been like to have Saul Katz as a grandfather. His brother came in, Larry Katz, and made a good representation. Helped me out a lot. My surrogate grandpa. But it just, my mom is half Jewish, half Irish. Okay? So when my mom got with my biological dad, we did the bloodline, and he is German. So I am, on my mom's side, I am Jewish Irish. And on my biological father's side, I am German. I have very conflicting cell memories. So, you know, it was, it's just nice to know that my daughter is getting in touch with her Jewish side and figuring out what certain words mean and finding out what it means to her. That's all I'm saying. I'm just getting nostalgic, sorry. To life. Waste not, want not. It's a mini joint that I rolled with my raw joint roller, and it is the paper, because the papers were too long for the roller, so you have to cut the papers, and this is the mini joint. It's good for, you know, little mini hits here and there. So I'm going to therapy today. I used to like therapy. Like, I used to like going, and the doctor made me feel comfortable and good about myself, and if I felt horrible or bad, then he would act accordingly. My new one, this will be the third time I'm seeing her. She has a little left to be desired. How are you? Oh, I'm good. And I tell her about my day. Have you considered counseling? Well, that's what I'm going to you for, right? And you're not just a doctor who's prescribing. I want to talk to you. I want you to know who I am before you prescribe me meds. and pharmaceuticals. I don't want to get pumped up with too many pharmaceuticals and then have horrendous side effects. If I stop my medication and I don't take it for like 24 hours, I am sicker than a fucking dog. I have migraines, I have withdrawal symptoms. It is horrible. So we'll see. If she tells me that I can go to counseling again, then I might switch counselors. I might switch therapists, because that's what you're a psychiatrist. You're there not only to give me meds, but you're there to listen to me. So listen to me, damn it. I say this a couple times. I think every month. Only problem with my mini joints is it gets hot fast. I gotta pull these out. Ooh, these need cleaned. Ah, feels good. So we'll see how therapy goes. Probably see a venting video or a ranting video or a calm, cool. That's what I'm going for. Calm, cool. I don't want to have a shitty day. Really don't want to have a shitty day, so. Alright, mini sesh. Before therapy is done. Peace.